up, my beautiful dreamers, and welcome back for another video with your girl, Shalinda. Okay, so we're going to start this year off just like this because I have to say, I'm feeling kind of cute right now. But there's a reason why I'm feeling cute, because I just experienced something I've never experienced before and I've never seen before. And this is the way you do it. So all hair companies, this is the way you do it. Let me go ahead and flip that upside down. Hairvivi, let me tell you about this freaking hair. So this is hairs by Hairvivi. The hair length is, okay, before we get to that part, this is just the stuff that came in the box. It's just a card with like simple instructions telling you about the hair and stuff like that. That's what that card is. And then it also comes with a stocking cap for your head. I never use a stocking cap stuff. Maybe should, but I don't. And it came in with a really good quality tail comb. It came, so this is the hair right here. As you can see, this is the hair. So what is it? It's a hair length of 16 inches, hair density 160, hair color, natural color. Type Indian virgin hair. The hair texture is wavy. The cap construction is a 5.5 part line lace front cap glueless lace wig. The lace color is light brown, cap size medium, and I'll have the direct link for you below. As you can see, it has the 3 clips inside, and it comes. Look at the. Now usually we have to sew these in ourselves. It comes pre-sewn in with an elastic band and an adjustable elastic band. Now let's look at this lace. Why is the lace already tinted? Like, who do you think you are? This is just smart because, you know, this is what we all do to the hair or to the lace. So why not already let it come pre-plucked and pre-bleached and it's just all pre. So I'm here for that. I have to say, I'm really impressed. Look how well, look, first of all, let's really look at this hairline. Like, look at the hairline. And as you can see, when you get up close, the knots are actually bleached. Can you see this crap? Like, who do they think they are? I mean, like, when I got the box and it said that the hair was made specifically, can be worn straight out of the box, you know how I am. I'm like, whatever. People always be saying stuff. So I decided to literally flip on the camera just so I can show you guys just how much it is really ready to be worn straight out of the box. So all I did was cut a nice portion of the lace off in the front, not all of it, and I put it on. And I'm gonna let my face do all the talking. I was like, excuse me? Is this lace like really blending right into my skin? Now I will admit, it's not a perfect match just because I feel like if I was a little lighter, this would be a perfect match. I also wanted to try out the elastic band. I wanted to see if because this is really hard to do, not being able to see, and this is how easy it was to attach it. I had to, you know, do the fingers to let my fingers be my guide, but once I did that and got the exactly where I wanted it, it went on. And it was so snugged. This hair wasn't budging. I was so impressed with this darn unit. The hair was beautiful, but I think I was most impressed. Yeah. There's no makeup on it. It came like this, straight out the box. Straight out the box, y'all. It definitely has little baby hair. Now, I didn't do anything to this hair yet because I really wanted you guys to see. Well, let me change that. We both wanted to see, was they telling the truth? Like, could this unit really, you know how people say it, but it's probably not realistic. Get up close. I want you guys all up and through this. Look. There's no makeup. I didn't glue it down. I didn't do any of that. And I don't know about you, but I don't really do the whole glue everyday thing. I want something that I can put on and actually feel fairly confident. And look, I couldn't believe how plucked it was. Of course, you can go in and pluck it a little bit more to your liking, but I have to say, for straight out the box, I could get away with this. Of course, I'm gonna go and do some more work. I'll probably cut a little bit more of that off for my personal liking. However, focus on the quality of that hair. Look at the hair, 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 look at the hair. This hair quality is ridiculous. I was so impressed with the quality of the hair. I was looking at the ends. That is a, yeah, that is a unit I would take out the box and just wear. It's beautiful. That, and it feels good. That hair, the wig, everything about it is worth every dime. Guys, if you use, looking at my description box, there will be a link. You can get $15 off of this unit. I'm telling you, the link will be below. Yeah, I was feeling myself. Look at the ends. The ends were in pretty good, pretty decent shape. And remember, I didn't wash this. This is straight out. And you guys know I love messy hair. So already look at the texture. I love the loose wave. This unit had my name written all over it. Guys, please, this is Hairvivi. Go in the description box. The link will be below, as well with all the details. You're going to love it. Trust me. Happy New Year to you. Love you guys. Have a happy new year, and definitely go on the link. Check this hair out because it's worth it. It's worth it. It's the bomb. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, I'm cute. I feel cute.